Mr. Harvey, we're heading out trick-or-treating, and we want as much candy and money as we can get. So what should our strategy be this year?
Tell them you homeless. I mean, okay, I'm just, that's how you, they trying to get candy and money. If they go in the house and tell the people, ding dong, hello, I'm homeless, they'll get a lot of candy and money. You kids use it. Tell them you're homeless, and they'll let you come in and eat and everything. You know what I think? So you want to get as much candy as you can. Okay, one of the ways is when you have great costumes. So both of you have great costumes. Let me hear how you say trick or treat when you get to the door.
Trick or treat!
You want to just try to be a little kinder, maybe? Trick or treat, I'll kill you! You know, kind of like you're a witch, but you're a good witch, though, right? See, you like the fairy godmother witch. So be really bubbly about it. Give me another trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
You're a sarcastic little kid, ain't you? You just trick or treat. You know what I'm here for. You got something to go in the bag? Let's get to filling. Let's get to filling. Okay, give it to your brother. Okay, Mac, give me your best, friendliest, happiest trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Yeah, see, it's like a song. There it is. There you go. Sadie, okay, you practice saying it really sweet, like it's a song.
Trick or treat.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, now, you gonna go trick-or-treating together?
Yes.
Okay, so you ring the doorbell, hit it, ding dong, hit it.
Ding dong.
Okay, I come to the door. Hey kids, what can I do for you?
Trick or treat.
Yeah, Mac, you missed it. Come on, man, we waiting on you. You a duet. You the dude, you to save the castle. Come on, Mac. Ding dong, hey kids, what can I do for you?
Trick or treat.
And I give you a lot. There you go. Good job.